Are you constantly distracted, anxious, or feeling burned out for no reason? You might be suffering from something you've never even heard of: dopamine overload. This video is not just about cutting off social media or switching to grayscale. It's a comprehensive dopamine detox meditation that reprograms how your brain and body respond to stimulation. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a science-backed, step-by-step detox meditation you can start today to feel calmer, sharper, and more in control of your life. What is dopamine overload? Dopamine is the neurotransmitter that drives your motivation, pleasure, and reward system. But in today's world, we're bombarded constantly with shorts, likes, caffeine, ultra-processed foods, porn. All of it spikes your dopamine and trains your brain to crave quick hits of pleasure. The problem? It leaves your baseline dopamine levels chronically low, and your brain numb to the real world. You feel unmotivated, scattered, and emotionally flat. This isn't a character flaw, it's a chemical imbalance created by modern life. Just like fasting resets your insulin sensitivity, a dopamine detox resets your brain's reward sensitivity. You're not quitting dopamine, you're quitting the unnatural spikes that hijack your brain. A detox gives your dopamine receptors time to down-regulate, so that natural things like a walk, a good meal, deep conversation, start to feel rewarding again. You regain clarity, motivation, and emotional depth. Here's the twist. We're not talking about a monk-level silent retreat. Dopamine detox meditation is a specific style of intentional low-stimulus meditation designed to restore dopamine balance and nervous system regulation. It combines sensory reduction, closing eyes, quiet space, non-reactivity to cravings and thoughts, stillness and awareness as a tool for neuro reset. In other words, you're sitting with your discomfort, not running from it, and that's where the reset happens. How to do it, step by step. Step 1. Prepare your environment. 1 minute, no phone, no music, no screens, dim the lights. Sit on a cushion or chair, whatever is comfortable. Step 2. Breathe and observe, 5-10 minutes. Eyes closed, breathe slowly and naturally. Let thoughts come and go, don't chase them, don't judge them. Step 3. Notice discomfort. You may feel bored, restless, irritated. That's withdrawal from stimulation. Just observe it. This is the detox in action. Step 4. Watch your cravings without reacting. Maybe you'll think, I should check my phone, or I need coffee. Notice the craving, but do not act on it. This builds dopamine tolerance back to normal levels. Step 5. End with stillness. After 10-15 minutes, slowly open your eyes. Sit in silence for a moment before jumping back into your day. What to expect the first time you try this? It might feel uncomfortable. You may get fidgety or anxious. That's your brain detoxing from stimulation. After a few sessions, you'll start to notice more mental clarity, better emotional control, decreased cravings, a sense of grounded calm. You're rewiring your reward system. It's like intermittent fasting for your brain. In closing, this practice is simple but powerful. You don't need to disappear into the mountains to reset. You just need 15 minutes of stillness and intention. Try it daily for just 7 days, and you'll start to feel the fog lift, mentally, emotionally, even physically. If you're ready to take your mental clarity even deeper, I highly recommend checking out a brainwave guidance program I use. It's called InnaPeace, and it's designed to guide your mind into deeper meditative states using sound-based neurotechnology. The link's in the description. Take a look after this video. Like this kind of grounded, no BS biohacking content? Subscribe and hit the bell. I drop new videos every week. Until then, stay sharp, stay human. See you in the next one.